On Monday for breakfast, we will have sliced banana bread, fruit, juice, and milk. For lunch, we will have popcorn chicken bites, cheese breadsticks, seasoned potato wedges, green peas, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast, we will have mini bagels, fruit, and milk. For lunch, we will have breaded chicken drumsticks, mac and cheese, broccoli florets, carrots, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday for breakfast, we will have beef tamales, fruit, juice, and milk. For lunch, we will have hamburger or cheeseburger, burger salad, potato crinkle cut fries, fruit, and milk. On Thursday for breakfast, we will have confetti pancakes, fruit, and milk. For lunch, we will have crispy beef tacos, Spanish rice, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. On Friday for breakfast, we will have cinnamon French toast, fruit, juice, and milk. For lunch, we will have sliced pepperoni pizza, romaine cherry tomato salad, vegetables, fruit, and milk. To stay updated with weekly elementary lunch menus, check out our social media at Edinburgh CISD